welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be working on a book cover for my new book called What Is with Liz. This is going to be a very special episode. I actually didn't record me making the book. I poorly recorded a few pages here and there, but nothing with the intention of making a video or anything like that, of course, which I kind of wish I did, but at that time I didn't even have a YouTube channel or anything. I think this book cover, or actually the whole book, gave birth to this channel. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right in.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't wanna do.
Alright, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm happy with this cover. It took a little bit. I even had to resubmit it due to the middle initial. I forgot to add it when I submitted it. Luckily, the copyright people were pretty nice to just let me resubmit it without any charges, of course. The book is about this rad student who gets asked by her classmates a bunch of questions. Usually she'll answer them or she'll learn with them to get the answers. In this first book, she's going to be answering questions about atoms. She gets asked by her friend Lucy, who is curious about what everything is made out of. Liz has a trusty sidekick who is a little tiny adorable chihuahua, and of course this takes place in a future where there are nano projecting gloves. It's pretty cool. I like the story. Of course I'm gonna say that because, you know, I wrote it and illustrated it myself. Favoritism to me, yay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Until next time, peace out.